What's up, guys? What's in my helmet here? Oh, my strap's just being weird. What's up, guys? We're at the village. Moldy B.
What's up?
He's working. Chris is building wheels like a boss. And we're at the village. I just finished work. I'm super stoked. Gonna get a session in, and it is raining outside. But there is one little thing that I just want to talk to you guys. Whoa, look at that. Anyway, there is just one little thing that I want to talk to you guys just real quick before I start the sesh. So I'm gonna do a big Total BMX giveaway, and I just want to give you a little sneak peek at the hubs that are gonna be a part of the giveaway. So you should definitely subscribe to my channel, turn the bell on, and you could be one of the lucky people that wins these hubs. Damn, son.
I love it.
What do you think, more?
I love it.
Yeah, so
Should definitely be a part of this.
definitely.
Get your chance.
You do not want to miss out on this epic opportunity. But seriously, I just want to give back to you guys. I've got a frame coming as well, a Voltron V2. That's going to be part of the giveaway, so make sure you subscribe, turn the bell on, get keen, and I'll give you some more details about it in the future. I did the paint splatter myself, so you know it's good. But anyway, let's get the session pumping. Starting to rain. I did want to have a little session on my ute, you know, ride my ute just as a, I don't know, some fun, something stupid to do, but it's starting to rain. Hopefully it holds off. Let's try to get some ute clips. I gotta get it because it's starting to rain. I gotta get that.
You gotta get some coilovers, mate. Just piss them down, dude.
Fuck that, man. Let's go inside.
Too wet.
It's way too wet. The rain stopped, bro. Should we...
Did you say raindrop?
Rain stopped. Out here. Let's film. Drop top. Back. Why are you just going silent on the video, bro?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm having fun riding this little, my ute. You got a ute, you got a skate park. It's what I always say. Hey, Mac.
You don't even need a skate.
Nah, you just need a ute.
You just need a good street spot and a ute.
Yeah, that's it. I want to make a full video with the ute, just driving it to locations and just riding it or whatever. See what I can do with it. Drop a thumb up if you want to see that happen. But let's continue some clips right now. Mac's gonna film it. Oh my God. A little bit sketchy with the old ice. I don't think I'm gonna get that. So, oh, I've got an idea.
Oh, shit.
Thanks for filming, Mac. Let's go right inside, bro. Okay, we've headed inside. Not too many people riding today, but I got my man Mac. Do you want to show us the vert wall thing you'd show me earlier? See if you can get above the sticker. All right, I'm just riding with Mac. We're getting a session in. Let's see it, Mac. He wants to get higher than that sticker there. Oh! Your front tire was up there? Yo! That was the sticker for sure. Little victory dance. Sorry, dude. Victory dance. Oh!
I won't die for this shit or what the fuck I say.
Yeah. One thing.
Where did that come from? It's claiming it.
Yeah.
I do want to clean her up a bit.
Yeah,
it's pretty messy.
Bucket out.
Get the mopping bucket out.
Clean her up.
Clean her up.
I don't know if you can hear us, but it's bloody pouring outside right now. Look at that.
Oh my god!
Whoa. He almost got buckled by that. Good work, Mackie.
Ready, Mac? You ready for this? Alright. Yo, Big Mac! What are you hiding behind the pole? Can you film me, bro? Thanks, bruh. You are a bloody legend. He's in. Thanks for filming today, Mac. You're a boss. You're a boss. But you should change these. You should take these stickers off. Take that sticker off. Leave that sticker on. Nah, I'm just joking. Oh my god. I just spent a little while trying to get that ice to nosy, or nose press, or whatever you want to call it. I got it in the end, stoked. I just was like real drained. And I don't know, I think I busted a few spokes out of my back wheel, so I'm gonna call this session there. It's getting pretty late anyway, so. I just want to say one last thing before I end the video. Make sure you subscribe, turn the bell on. I'm doing a big giveaway, giving away a pair of Total Tech V2 hubs and a Voltron V2, all nice and fresh with some speckle paint. Make sure you get on it.